We're going to walk, and today he is a little more energy. Finally, I got him to eat. We got some special food that is for kidney problems, and we have to feed him like 5 times, but very little mouth. I still feeding him by hand. It's the best way, and it's the only way that he's taking. And yeah, my husband said that he was waiting for me all the morning until I arrived, and he was pretty quiet, but now he has a little more energy. It makes me happy. We got a little of sun today for the walk. He's pulling, he has the energy to walk, and this will help for him to go back home, drink water, and of course when we are walking he pee, so that helps for the kidneys, and we'll be okay. I will not. I'm so exhausted. Sleeping so few. Stress. But we will be good. Good morning. I'm coming to do my laundry. Look at my bed. My fern is looking so beautiful. Few more weeks and we will be able to go outside. It's huge. I don't know if I need to change the pot. My mom said that don't do it. Anyway, Frosty is just down there. Finally went to pee. You know, it's things that I never thought that I have to make sure that he's doing, like going to pee, drink water, things like that. But we are really hands-on on him, taking care and making sure that he has the best. The best. So, let me put a little of water to this one. It's not so cold, so it's nice. We can be outside here. And a lot of things that I was planning to do I haven't done because we have to change our days to take care of everything, and of course I am behind in a lot of things. Let me get some of this laundry. Oh, and I will let you know what I think about some of these products. Detergents. So the laundry detergent works very good. I like the hand soaps. I only need to finish these ones. This one I don't like. It gives a way too strong smell. It's not bad, but for some reason for me it doesn't smell like when I smell the laundry detergent or the softener. The softener smells better. This one smells like humidity when I use. So like when you leave clothes for too long in that. I noticed that they have another smells. Maybe that will help. But I'm not having allergies and my legs are not itching so far. The only thing that I keep using is the Woolite. Today I did some change. I'm using the detergent, I'm using the softener, and instead of this I'm using these downy pearls, so I don't get the nasty smell. I hope I don't get the allergy with that. Who is the most beautiful dog? Are you? My little? Can you see how much weight he lost there? But we're feeding him the best that we can. We're giving the food that he can eat and he likes. Poor baby, my poor baby. The mess, but I will show you what is going on. I was nominated as jury duty. I have to take care of that, but let me see if I can show you this. So this is ready to be put with water and stretch from both sides. This is the other side, but it will be nice when I get these stretching. So in few, when I go to continue my laundry, I will do these. I'm trying to do a new one. I'm using this yarn that I have. I'm trying testing because it's similar to something that I did, but this has a little more space and holes. And the one that I saw, I will try to put a picture or show you the video there, is in white, and I really like in white, but this yarn has no white, so I got a new one. My battery's dying, let me change. Okay, back. So I got on Amazon this one. It says soft, and it's really soft. The same amount of yarn, the same hook, everything. So I will put in a skein, like a round one, like I like it that way, and I will do the same amount that I did here to see what I like more. I like the light blue. I wanted to use this one for like an open sweater, but we will see. But I want to do this. Let me see if I can get the picture. Okay, this is the one that I'm trying to do. As you can see, it's pretty similar to the other one with some variation. It's in Russian, but it has translation and very good showing how to do. So I will try to put a link on this video if you want to do that one. But looking at the white, I'm like, oh yes, I want to make a white one, and I will try how it looks on this. I know white can get dirty very easy, but it's nice to have sometimes some white sweater.